Today's an exciting day. Well, it's a hyper voice, but I'm moving into my bigger studio today and I'm so excited. Coffee for all my workers, aka my husband, my dad, and my father-in-law. Yeah, we're gonna put up the backdrop, which is kind of the biggest job, and then just kind of move all the furniture. Can't wait to show you guys. It's a lot bigger, the space, and it has like 4 windows. They're small windows, but it looks really cool. Good luck to me. Okay, hi Bobby. So this is there's my hair room, working away. It's pretty messy right now, but let me show you the new room. Ta-da! Much bigger. Backdrop's going there. We're gonna get rid of this. So it's just me and Jonan in the room right now, so that's why my mask is off. And I'm just sitting here, being like, I'm bored while he is. What are you doing? He's working away. I'm bored. Well, have you guys tried this iced grande shaken espresso with oat milk? So good. Going every day almost to Starbucks and getting it. It's not that great for my wallet. It's delicious. Okay, I'm just at home. I'm going to pick up, what am I picking up? Oh, curtains and a couple of shelves that I bought that I forgot to bring over. So I'm going to show you those. Okay, here are the curtains. You can't really see them, but what I love most about them is that the hooks at the top are kind of like faux leather. And they're DKNY. I got them at Homesense. And then a pair of shelves. And some Gorilla Glue. For some DIY projects. Right, Willow? Yes, that's right. Ivy? Ivy? Hi, Vivi. Okay, sorry, you guys can't come to the studio right now, but next time. This is my view. You're welcome. Guys, I'm just gonna do a little DIY and fix this sign. It says Flylight Photography on it, but it came off, so. Trusty Gorilla Glue. Do not put it on your hair. I can't believe that woman put it on her hair. Anyways, we are not gonna do that. Even if it gets on your fingers, it's like super sticky. And look how sweaty I am. A little bit shiny. I get hot fast. Okay, time lapse time. Okay, it is done. You probably saw in the time lapse. I tried to cut this because my dog ate it. Okay, my phone rudely cut me off. Anyways, I was saying this wasn't heating up and I don't have another one to push it, so I have to wait for it to heat up so I can push it with my finger. And then finally, we fixed it. Here was a comparison of it beside my head, and I'll also link where I purchased this from. So beautiful, right? This guy, that's his thing. Thumbs up. Flylight Photography's manager over here.
10%.
10%. More like 100%, but whatever.
At least 50.
Okay. Left or right? We're on the door. I don't know if I talk about this at all on Instagram, but I have anxiety. And right now it's kind of catching up to me. There's just so much to do and clean, and like when I feel overwhelmed, I'm like shut down. So I'm here laying on the ground in the old studio. Just need like a break. Usually I like to listen to like a meditation or something, and I just found out this new app called Bloom. It's like a cognitive behavioral therapy app, and it has like mindfulness exercises. I've really been loving it, so I need a 10-minute break to do that. And then hopefully get back in the swing of things. My dad and Jenna are working on putting up shelves. It looks really good already. Okay, we did it. Good job, team. Good job, Bobby. Good job, Jenna. It's beautiful. Let me show you. Ah! Okay. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Just it here. Good work. Okay, so quick little tour. The main attraction is the backdrop, so I'm gonna buy a few different colors.
It's white.
Yeah, I'm gonna do like maybe an orange one and then like a deep red, which looks really pretty in photos. I have to take this off. It's just me and Jenna in here, so we're okay.
She's lying.
And then of course the same setup as before with this. Oh my god, I love it. And then there's another window here. Saw that. Some storage things for now. Baby heater. So, oh my god, and the best part is the closet. Closet is like the biggest selling point. It's gonna be packed with newborn stuff. Oh, look how big it is. Like, this is like Harry Potter's room. Thank you for joining us. Can't wait to share more adventures with you inside the studio. Good job, Jana. You put up shelves.
I did stuff.
Okay, the girls, by the girls I mean the dogs, and I are on the balcony. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of the vlog for today. It's set up for now. I just have to do a few last minute things like lighting and bring over the other props. But for now, the studio's ready and I'm so excited. So hope you guys like this vlog. If you like this format, let me know below if you want to see more vlogs or if I should do like behind the scenes of photo shoots. I mean, it's a little bit different with COVID right now. If you'd like to see like some tips and tricks for photography, anything you want to see, let me know down below. Or if you want to see more of my personal life too, that could be arranged. Okay, thank you for tuning in. And hopefully I'll be making more videos soon. Girls, Ivy, say bye. Willow, say bye. Bye. We came back to the studio. Mimi and Ivy wanted to check it out. Dance, dance. Oh, she's scared. Go get it. Go get it.